In this video, I'm going to be going over what is onomatopoeia. Try to say that 5 times fast. Okay, so this is a literary device, which is a word or a phrase that shows the noise that something makes, right? So down here I have woof and I have moo because those are noises that are made. This is creative writing lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. Alright, let's continue the video. So this literary device could be used for animals, could be used for action words, for fighting words. So some of the examples I have here is like hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. That's an action, right? Our body's doing something, and then boom. Boom is a noise that something makes when it explodes or anything like that. And then wow, that's kind of for the comic book because this is used a lot where comic books or graphic novels. Hello there. So I have 2 kids books out of my 4 kids book series self-published on Amazon. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description below. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, you get these books for free. Okay, so just here are a few examples. By few, I mean a lot more than just a few. Examples of what the noises, whether they're actions, animal noises, or fighting words can make. So I have boom, I have bam, I have ribbit, I have boing, I have smack. Wow. I have it's for the gulping. I got meow. So these are just some of the examples. If you have some more examples, put them down in the comments below so I can take a look at it. And let's see what we can come up with. If you're getting great value from this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help this small content creator continue posting these videos to help you build a successful story for beginners. If you want to learn more about literary devices, I have a playlist right here. And I will see you guys on the next episode of Creative Writing Lessons. May the force be with you. Always.